Hey there! Today, we're diving into the details of the MediTac Rucksack Assault Trauma Tactical Kit, an absolute must-have for anyone serious about first aid in extreme situations. Whether you're in the military, law enforcement, or just want to be ultra-prepared, this kit is designed to have your back in any trauma scenario. This kit is jam-packed with 150 essential pieces, making it one of the most comprehensive trauma kits on the market. It includes everything from a SOF tourniquet to vented chest seals and quick clotting gauze, ideal for managing heavy bleeding. The addition of a life straw is a fantastic bonus, ensuring access to safe drinking water in emergency situations, filtering up to 1,000 gallons. The rucksack itself is no slouch. Crafted from heavy-duty nylon with reinforced double-stitched seams, this bag is designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Its size, 18 inches by 10 inches by 11 inches, is perfect, large enough to carry everything you need without being overly bulky. Comfort isn't sacrificed either, thanks to padded shoulder straps, a lumbar support area, and a hip belt that ensures stability even when fully loaded. One of the standout features of this kit is its user-centric design. The rucksack is equipped with multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize your gear and find what you need in a flash. The inclusion of items like a blood pressure cuff and stethoscope set highlights its utility in serious medical situations, while smaller details like a mini marker and isolation gown show the thoughtfulness that went into this kit's design. Whether you're out on a tactical mission, on a rescue operation, or simply preparing for the unexpected, this kit is versatile enough to handle it all. Its contents are not only suitable for stopping bleeding and dressing wounds, but also for treating burns, fractures, and other injuries. In short, the MediTac Rucksack Assault Trauma Tactical Kit is an all-in-one solution that combines durability, comprehensive contents, and practical design. It's a fantastic investment for anyone who takes emergency preparedness seriously.